first ever backcountry ski touring trip. We have just arrived to the very top of Whitecap Alpine Resort. We flew in via helicopter, so how it works is they pick you up in Pemberton and fly you over to Whitecap, and this is where we're going to be skiing for the next 4 days. And this is my very first time doing this, so it's definitely going to be a huge challenge for me. One of the things that I'm actually super worried about is I've never used any of the equipment that I'm skiing on today before, like any of my touring stuff. So if you don't know much about ski touring, basically you have to have special bindings. You have these like they're called skins. It's like fabric that you put on the bottom of your skis, and I just have all this stuff that I've never used before. We're gonna hope for the best. So yeah, today's our first day. We're just sort of getting settled. We're gonna have some lunch and then we're gonna head out. So wish your girl luck. Let's get skiing, guys. Gotta say, holy shit, your girl is not in the physical condition that is required to do this. I actually bitched out early today. I feel like such a loser, but like, you gotta know your limit. And the rest of the group is skiing. They're doing another lap, but like every time you go down the mountain, you gotta walk back up it. Also, by the way, you see right down there, that is actually where the lodge is. Such a beautiful place. It feels like Christmas all the time. Now that I'm back at the lodge and have had a minute to chill out and reflect on days 1 and 2, I'm realizing that this trip is mostly actually about me learning how to ski tour. Turns out there's actually a lot of strategy involved with going uphill, and today I was really just like trying to catch up with the group and getting out of breath and repeating that process over and over and over. Tomorrow I'm really going to focus on keeping a steady pace so I don't have to tap out early. But yeah, definitely learning a lot. So today will be our 3rd day of ski touring. Today, very exciting, the snowpack is safe enough that we're able to actually go into the Alpine. So very exciting. So we're gonna get to ski some steeper terrain. We need to get geared up for the day, get my socks on, start heating up my boots, and get out there and get hiking. So let's go, guys.
It takes me a little bit, because it's kind of not super steep, it takes me a little bit to break this trail, so I'm gonna get going.
For now it's fine, waste of our time, out where the stars forget to shine.
Okay guys, so we have been climbing for like what feels like 3 hours, but I'm honestly not watching the clock because I don't want to know. It's too hard. But look at where we came from. I like all the way over that ridge is where the cabin is, and I have never climbed anything like this in my life. I'm so freaking proud. I'm dead ass last right now. And the rest of the group has already boot packed up this couloir. Is that how you say it? Couloir. And they're waiting for me, so I'm gonna get my skis on my backpack and I am going to climb my ass up that hill. I might be last, but I'm very proud because I've never done anything like this, so it's a first for everything.
You're 1 pitch away. Come on up. 1 small step for Robyn, 1 giant step for Dale. Come on, baby, you got it. You're almost at the flat. Nice work. Keep going. Don't you see the view on the other side?
I am so beyond stoked. The rest of our group has dropped in already, and Evan and I are the last ones to go here. But the fire up is real. I'm excited to actually get skiing. We've been hiking all day, so yeah, let's do it.
Fun?
Good morning from our final day at Whitecap. I'm so sad that this trip is over. I literally don't want to go home today. We've had so much fun skiing these last few days. It just felt so special and so wonderful to have the opportunity to go and ski tour in that majestic, majestic mountain range. We actually only have I'd say 2 hours of skiing today, and then the helicopter is going to come pick us up, take us home. I don't want to go. I've been having so much fun. It's ridiculous. And yeah, this has just been a once in a lifetime opportunity, but I'm gonna go grab some breakfast in the main lodge. Look at this tofu scramble. So delicious. I've done a terrible job at filming any meal we've eaten because honestly, we're just so hungry after a day of skiing that I just savagely attack it. But seriously, 10 out of 10. I've never had any sort of backcountry food that's been this good.
Yeah. Very yummy.
I walk around with my head down, with nothing left but these memories. I still don't know where I
Just finished our first summit of the day. As per usual, I am the last one, but I am fired up to ski today. My legs are feeling great, feeling strong, so we are gonna drop in and get skiing. We only have 2 hours today, so let's go. This morning was so awesome skiing. I was really pushing myself to keep up with the group today because the helicopter is coming in 5 minutes here, and we had to get back before it is taking us out, and they don't exactly wait for you. So we got 2 really awesome runs in this morning, and I just can't say enough good things about this experience. I want to do so much more backcountry skiing, and I feel really motivated and inspired to do more trips like this and really push myself, because I feel like ski touring, it's really hard and it's definitely not cheap, but it does show you how much you actually can accomplish. When you get to the top of that mountain, you're like, holy shit, I actually walked up that whole thing. It's just the best feeling in the world. So yeah, thank you guys so much for coming along on this adventure with me. We are gonna get on our heli, get back to Pemberton, and then back to Whistler. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, say hi in the comments, tell me your favorite part, and make sure you turn your notification bell on so you can see when I post more outdoor adventure videos. And that is all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon. How was it?
I'm tired.
I think they're frozen. I can't really tell, but I think so.
Nice.